Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival, and joining me for this segment, we have Dhamodharan. He's the Executive Vice President and Head of Blockchain and Crypto at Mastercard. Raj, it is great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
And you wrote a blog post recently talking about bringing the best of banking, fintech, crypto to unlock and transform digital assets. What do you mean by that, and can you discuss Mastercard's crypto strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, Mastercard has always been about choice to consumers and partners who work with us in a variety of ways to move value, and we do that through card networks, we do that to other types of networks. So here is also about giving people choice. But when we say giving people choice, it's also about doing it in a safe way and a secure way. So that informs our strategy. So we enable, when it became safe to do so, we enable people purchasing cryptocurrencies on our network. This is the very first thing that we did a few years ago.
Right.
And after that, when people are invested in it and they want to get out of it, they want to move money off of the crypto to the banking world, we enable that flow as well. This is about simply making sure that the investing of that happens in a safe and secure way. And then the ecosystem, traditional financial institutions and the crypto ecosystem wanted to get involved in the safety and security aspect of it as well, and we started offering services. I'm sure we can talk a little bit more about that at some point, but this is really about, as I said, safety and security and giving choice to people. That informs our strategy and all the things that we do in this space.
And let's talk more about that. You recently announced more services for crypto offerings, which is exciting for the institutional space and especially for consumers. Can you explain more how this brings value to the everyday consumer?
That's right. I know that's a great question. So I'll give an example of stocks and how that evolved, right? So originally, years ago, we all used to go to an online to TD Ameritrade or E-Trade and these kind of specialized online trading companies to go buy stock. Eventually, that still remains so, but eventually every financial institution started offering stock investing as an option. I think crypto, the same thing is happening as well. So what we announced is a couple of things. One is called Crypto Secure. It helps financial industries understand the risk of dealing with a specific entity in crypto or a specific blockchain address in crypto or specific transaction in crypto. So that just gives you a risk-based score on various things that are happening. Think of it as like the Dun and Bradstreet of the crypto world, if you will. It gives you a scan of what the businesses and what they do, and that's helpful. And then if they wanted to offer buy, sell, hold services, a financial institution wanted to offer buy, sell, hold services, we have Crypto Source, which is a product that enables buy, sell, hold, and financial institutions can offer that to their consumers, just like how they started offering stock trading years ago.
There's a lot going on and a lot of exciting innovations within the crypto space. What is Mastercard most excited about?
Yeah, look, crypto as an investment asset class is maturing. It'll go through the maturity cycles of going up and down like any investment class does. The next innovation that to come out that is again going through the maturity cycle is NFTs. NFTs powers creator economy. It is a technology that has applicability beyond just tracking the digital goods. I think that will go through the maturity cycle, and the blockchain technology itself is going to get more people to offer services in terms of bringing the current banking ecosystem into that space as well. I think it can help in identity, it can help bring new business models. I think we're just getting started in this space.
And finally, Raj, how is Mastercard leaning into a principled approach when it comes to crypto?
Yeah, this is very important, right? This is so we talked about our role as a curator of what is good for consumers to do, safety and trust. So we look at a few things, right? The first is the activity is compliant in a given country. That is a principle that we use as well. Second, consumer protections like privacy and safety is quite important as well. And we talked about enabling some of these digital currencies directly in our network. When we look at that, stability of the currency is very important as well, because if you're going to use it to purchase goods and services in our network, it needs to be a stable currency, it needs to be a compliant currency, it needs to be a currency that puts consumer privacy and protections number one. So those would be our guiding principles as we look at this evolving space, and this helps us, right? It helps us curate, it helps us provide continued trust to the consumers and businesses that depend on our network.
All right, Raj, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me throughout the Singapore Fintech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.